First of all, I would like to tell you about Gujarat Flotex Pvt Ltd. Gujarat Flotex Pvt Ltd is a leading manufacturing company in the field of furnishing fabric, upholstery fabric, curtains and all that. And Gujarat Flotex started commencement in the year 2003. We are one of the market leaders. Gujarat Flotex is spread over the area of around 60,000 square meter, and we have a wide range of equipments and machinery in this particular field of manufacturing furnishing fabric. We have range of stentor machines, we have jet machines, we have flocking lines, we have lamination machines. Gujarat Flotex Pvt Ltd is associated with the manufacturing of upholstery fabric, which is commonly known as furnishing fabric that we usually use in our sofas, curtains and beds and all that. Gujarat Flotex commenced in the year 2003, and Gujarat Flotex has evolved from its parent company called Western Flow Pvt Ltd, and we have a dedicated sampling department which manufactures catalogs, books and sampling material. We have a state-of-the-art facility of wastewater treatment plant, we have ETP plant, we have UF and RO plant, we have multi-effect evaporator plant. I also look after environment, pollution, health and safety and fire related things, starting from drawing the bore water to supply it to the process, and from after completion of the process, collecting the generated wastewater to the wastewater treatment facility, and after collecting the wastewater into wastewater treatment facility, entire operation of wastewater treatment is also looked after by me. Along with that, I also have to look after fire and safety of the entire premises, and along with all these things, I have to make liaison with the government and non-governmental agencies like GPCB, Gujarat Pollution Control Board, Department of Industrial Health and Safety, and non-governmental agency like Schedule 2 Environment Auditor and all that. Moreover, I also look after the housekeeping and first aid related matters here at Gujarat Flotex. Here the main resources for water is groundwater, because there is no surface water like any river or lakes or any canals or anything of like surface water is available in nearby vicinity. So as a resource, everyone, whether it is domestic or industrial or any commercial activity, has to depend on the groundwater. The reason behind the groundwater depletion is the overuse at the domestic front as well as due to growing industrial sectors. Today we can observe that we are living a materialistic life which has increased our consumption of water, and that's why the groundwater level is continuously depleting. Water is already a scarce commodity because only 0.5% water is available on this planet Earth, from which 1% is integrated with glaciers and clouds in the form of vapor. So remaining part is only present for as a fresh water, or you can say potable water for human consumption. So as a measure that businesses or agriculture or industrial activity should take, they should measure, they should monitor, and they should make a strategy to conserve the water. As a agriculture practices should use some sophisticated techniques like drip irrigation, and they should also follow the crop rotation. Businesses should also make the water consumption very effectively. They should also train and make their employees aware to conserve the water as well as to use the water optimally. They should also change their processes. They should also take some corrective measures for water conservation and recycling and reuse. They should frame their policy and they should strictly adhere to the policy of water conservation. Water scarcity is definitely going to impact each and every sector, whether it is businesses, whether it is agriculture or any industrial activity, because water is a life essential thing without which life cannot exist. Recently, Gujarat Flotex has installed Terra Smart Flow Meter, is working on the principle of ultrasonic flow, which is one of the latest technology in this field of measuring the water. As it equipped with the telemetry system, we are also able to fulfill our legal obligation. This type of technology is one of the most accurate system in the field of measuring the water. Kritsnam Technologies, the Smart dashboard is consist of hourly basis reading, day-to-day reading, monthly basis reading. We are able to get the correct consumption data. So it helps us to analyze our water consumption in a very effective way. We can differentiate how much consumption has taken place in summer, how much consumption has taken place in monsoon and winter, and from that particular data of consumption we can also compare it with our production data, so that we can understand in that particular month how much production was there, and accordingly how much water has been consumed or abstracted from the borewell.